Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to be trying a new recipe that I've never done before. Brown sugar pork loin with garlic and roasted potatoes. Let's go. Alright, our first step is to get our oven preheated to 375. And then we're going to go wash and cut our potatoes. Now that we have our potatoes in the pan, I'm going to drizzle them with some olive oil. Whoops. And we'll just mix this up here. We're going to add dried chopped onions. Black pepper. And some sea salt. And then we're just going to mix this all together so that everything gets nice and coated evenly. And then I'm going to take my pork loin here, and I have just 2 slices of a big one that I got at Costco. And so they are slightly thawed, still a little frozen on the side, but that's okay. I'm also going to drizzle olive oil over my pork loins to give the seasoning something to stick to. We're going to add minced garlic. And if you've watched my channel at all, you know I love garlic, so we're going to add quite a bit of that. We'll put some in with the potatoes too. And finally, we're going to add in brown sugar. Now we're just going to kind of rub this all on top of our pork loin here. It's okay if some gets into our potatoes, it'll just make it taste even better. Then I'm going to stick my meat thermometer right into the thickest part of each pork loin, because we want these to get to, cooked would be 140, and I'm going to pull them out probably at 130 to let them finish cooking out of the oven so that they don't get too dry. Alright, into the oven it goes. We're going to cook this until the pork is done, so roughly 40 to 50 minutes, and while we let the pork cool, we'll let the vegetables finish cooking if they are not done yet. So now it's just a waiting game. Okay, one of the pork loins is just about done, so I'm going to pull the whole thing out and check it. I can see over the fog in my glasses. Pull it out and just let it rest on a plate. This other one needs just a couple more minutes, I think. Since mine was almost frozen, it has taken much longer than the recipe called for. But also the recipe called for just a 2-pound pork loin. So, good thing I have a meat thermometer. And the potatoes are doing just fine, so we'll just leave them in there. So there is our first one. Alright, the other one is done. So let's go ahead and pull it out. Alright, we're going to let that one rest while I let the potatoes just cook for, oh, actually, potatoes feel nice and done. So we'll go ahead and turn the oven off. I'm going to let this one rest for about 10 minutes. Alright, this one has been sitting for quite a while, so it has had plenty of time to rest. So we're going to go ahead and cut into it and dish it up for dinner at, 9 o'clock at night. Oh man, I can tell that it is really, really juicy. And there you have it. A really easy one dish pork loin dinner with potatoes. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.